Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to claim free rewards in Binance. For that, first of all, you need to launch your Binance mobile application. Then you need to simply log in into your account. Make sure that your application is updated to the latest version for smooth access to the reward center. Over here, tap on the three lines in the top left hand corner of the screen. Then select the option of Rewards Hub. If you are not able to find it over here, you can come back here on the home page, then tap on the More tab. Over here in the services, you can simply search for rewards, and here we have the Rewards Hub available. Over here in the rewards hub, you can see for yourself that we have two options. The first is the reward shop, where you can tap on and you can claim all of these reward points that you have received. After that, if you go here on this my voucher option, you will be able to see all of the vouchers that are available in your account. As you can see, I have this voucher available in my account to be claimed. So this is going to show you here. If you tap on the past option, it will show you all of the rewards that you could claim in the past and now they are expired. So here tap on the claim option right next to it, and then tap on the claim option again, and if it is available in your account, you will be able to claim it very easily. If you are facing any kind of problem while claiming your rewards on Binance, I would highly recommend you to contact to the customer support team in this regard. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. You can also comment below if you want me to create the tutorials on any other topics. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.